Hi friends, this is Imad from iWriter Design. Today I am going to show you how to add an emailing list to your website. Using an emailing list, you can send communications about your new product launches to your most important customers. So here we start off. Okay, so now I have my website open here. So now I need to open a new tab. I click on this plus icon and I go to mailchimp.com. mailchimp.com. Okay. So why go to mailchimp.com? Mailchimp.com is what we will be using to integrate the form or the sign up form into our website. Okay, now I click on login. I click on login because I have got a MailChimp account, or you can click on create an account, enter your email, username and password and sign up the usual way. And once you get an email confirming your subscription, you just have to activate this account. Okay, so I click on login now. It is asking for account verification. I can do that later on. Click on I'll do this later. Okay. Now you will get okay. The accounts all set up. Let's dive in. Okay. This is where my email is. Okay. Now I click on audience. And then click on sign up forms. Now we need a subscriber pop-up form. Okay, so I click on subscriber pop-up form. Okay, so now it is showing us the different types of samples. So you click on layout. Okay, click on layout and check out the different types of samples you're having. Okay, this particular image you can replace. I just uploaded this image from my system. So you can click on replace and select any other image from your computer and choose insert. Okay, now you need to click on subscriber pop-up forms. Here you find different layouts. You can change the style of the text. You can change the font over here. I click on Helvetica, maybe I can change it to Arial. I go back. I can change the color. Maybe I change the, okay, I'll keep the color as it is, or probably I'll change it to dark blue. Okay, and then the font size, I can keep it small, medium or large. I think I'll keep it medium here. Then I go back. Here I can choose the layout, the different kind of layout available here. Probably I'll choose this or this. I think or this. This looks plain and simple without any image. It looks smaller, so I choose this one. Now you need to go to, okay, so this is done. I go back. Now I need to go to settings. Click on settings. Now we need to choose when this displays. So either immediately when somebody logs into your website, or after 5 seconds, or after 20 seconds, or probably when your visitor starts scrolling to the middle or end of the page, or on exit. So I will choose end of the page. Now here I click on edit, manage connected sites. Okay, now I click on view code. So I need to copy this code so as to integrate it into my website. So now I click on copy here and then go to my login to my WordPress. Now I have logged into my WordPress. I click on this D icon, DB, theme options. Now I move to integration. Okay. And then add code to the head of your blog. Okay. So I paste the code which I got from this particular, so this was where I got the code. I copy this code and I paste it over here. Then I click on save changes. Okay, now I go back and check if it's working. So I go back to I write in design.in. Okay, so this is the final screen we get. This is how we add an email subscription form to our website.